Hey guys, back with another video. It's your boy Little Fakey here, guys. Today, what I was gonna be doing, guys, is a DIY slime, frozen slime challenge, guys. So basically, if you guys didn't know what that is basically getting slime. How you make it is basically toothpaste, brown sugar, and glue. That's 3 things. That's all you need. Just mix it together. And some water. But don't put too much water. If you put too much water, you messed up. That's how I messed up. You're going to see in the video. But then I just switched up and had an idea to put in the freezer. And yeah, that's basically it. It was a huge fail, guys, of making slime. But I am going to try it again one day. Just I need to go buy glue. So enjoy the video. And see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Alright guys, so right now I'm about to start it off and pour the glue in. I didn't try. I saw some YouTubers do this before I started this, but I don't know if we're allowed to use this equipment. I don't know. We're just going to try and see if it works or not, guys. If it fails, we're still going to post this, guys. Don't have a lot of time because my phone's about to die, so let's go. Alright guys, so right now I just did it, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, it does not look like no slime. So we did fail, but guys, I had a new idea I just brought up. So what I did, I stirred it as good as I can, and I was gonna freeze it. So we're gonna freeze it for about until like tomorrow, because right now it's 10:26, 8, and I'm just gonna freeze it until tomorrow morning and see what happens in the morning. So I'll be back when it's done. Almost done. Just added water. I'm gonna pour a little bit more out, but don't forget you have to add water. I just forgot about that, and just keep on stirring it. Oh, it's forming. I see it. So if you keep on stirring, I think I put too much water in it. Who cares, guys? So keep on stirring it. Yeah, I did put too much water. You can see, but who cares? Come on. I'm gonna keep on stirring, and when I'm done, I'll be back, guys. So right now, this is it. So I'm about to. Did this get in the oven? No, but I'm putting this in a spoon. I gotta go clean these dishes, so I'm not gonna get mad. Right now, I'm gonna open the freezer. Oh my gosh, I got too much stuff in the freezer. We'll take it and put it right there and see what it looks like tomorrow morning. Alright guys, so I just put it in the freezer, guys, and right now I'm gonna go to bed, wake up tomorrow morning before I go to school, and guys, show you guys that I'm gonna edit it, and then after school I'll post it. So I just want to say, guys, happy Valentine's Day. I should be doing a giveaway because we almost hit 100 subscribers, guys. Right now we're at 87. The last time I checked, I went on my thing, there's at 87, guys. Go subscribe, guys. And if we get to 100 subscribers, what you gotta do to enter the giveaway is like all my videos, subscribe, and comment done, and then comment on my Snapchat or just down below saying what you guys want on this video, and I'll try to go buy it because my mom giving me money not that long ago. She owes me like $155 because she used to always take my money. So go do that. I'm about to go to bed and see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, I just woke up. It's 7:41 and school starts like at 8:20. So I need to hurry up and get ready. I'm gonna go check if it's done. Let's go check. Dang, look at it. What the? Ooh, dang, that's hard. Oh, what the heck? That is cute. Dang. Alright guys, so so if you can see, this is what it looks like. How solid. Yeah, sorry to bring out the big boy knife. Let's if I can. Whoa. Oh, let me show you guys. Guys, so let's go. I'm getting it. Dang, look at that. Wait. 100 to 1,000 degrees now. That's not gonna work. Cause I don't have like no torch to like blow it up. Only if I, oh, no, I don't have no lighter though. Anytime I want to go buy a lighter. Alright guys, so right now I'm just gonna put this under warm water. I gotta hurry quick before it gets warm again. Look at that hole. You can see that hole. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can cut around it so I can cut it out.
All the stuff on the sides. I'll be back.
So I put in warm water, guys, so it can just melt. So I'll be back. I'm just gonna take a shower and get ready for school because I need to get ready right now. And see you when it's done, guys. So this is what it looks like. Just take it all out. Holy moly! I don't want to spill because I only got one hand. I've had to take my tripod. Look at that. Oh. And you can see the brown sugar right there, see? Oh my god. Look at. Alright guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys, and see you guys in the next video.